Okay, so to get a shortcut onto your desktop for a web page, which any Google Doc is a web page, you're going to pull up the web page or the Google Doc in your Chrome browser, and then you're going to make Chrome a little smaller so you can see your desktop behind it. Up here where the address for the web page is, there will be some kind of icon here. This one has a lock. Sometimes it's a little page icon. It might be an icon like one of these. But whatever kind of icon it is, you're going to click and drag. And you'll see as I click and drag, it shows that it's going to create a shortcut. So drag it onto your desktop and let go. That's my shortcut for the sign out form. Then you can take that and attach it to an email. You can put it in a shared drive folder for people to access. And from there, it can be copied onto somebody's desktop. So they can copy that from the shared drive or your email or wherever onto their desktop. And that is how you do that.